Welcome to our channel. Today we how to share Google Calendar with others, collaboration setup step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Locate the calendar you want to share in the left sidebar. Hover over the calendar name until you see 3 vertical dots appear. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Sharing from the menu. Scroll down to the Share with Specific People section. Click on the Add People button. In the field that appears, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. Choose the level of permission you want to grant them from the drop-down menu. You can select options like See Only Free/Busy, See All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Once you've made your selections, click on Send. The invited users will receive an email notification with a link to access your calendar. If you want to share your calendar with everyone in your organization, look for the Share with Your Organizations section. Toggle the switch to enable public access. This will allow anyone in your organization to view your calendar. To make your calendar completely public, go to the Access Permissions section and check the option for Make Available to Public. Confirm any prompts that appear to ensure. Once you've made all your adjustments, remember to save your settings. Now your Google Calendar is set up for collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.